6. Was the Shakyamuni Buddha a real person in history? Yes, he is mentioned in history textbooks. Shakya means competence and benevolence, and muni means serenity. Shakyamuni refers to a sage of the Sakya clan. Shakyamuni Buddha lived around the 6th century B.C.E, concurrent with the spring and autumn period in China, and was a contemporary of Confucius. He was crown prince of the Kapilavastu kingdom in ancient India. His name was Gautama Siddhartha. His father was called Suddhodana, his mother Maya. Queen Maya gave birth to Prince Siddhartha while taking a rest under a tree in Lumbini Grove. She died soon after giving birth. Prince Siddhartha was raised by his aunt, Princess Prajapati. 7. Did he succeed to the throne? No, he didn't. Since Prince Siddhartha was extremely wise and handsome, King Suddhodana expected him to be a Chakravartin, or ideal universal ruler, who would subdue all nations. But Prince Siddhartha was strongly touched by the phenomena he observed: birth, aging, sickness, and death, as well as the law of the jungle prevalent among living creatures. He meditated frequently and thought about taking monastic vows. Having discovered his son's intention, King Suddhodana tried his best to stop him. He arranged for his son to marry Princess Yasodhara from a neighboring state. Yasodhara bore him a son named Rahule. But all this was in vain. Finally, Siddhartha slipped out of the royal palace in the still of the night and became a wandering medicant seeking the truth. 8. So we have to be a monk to study Buddhism? Not necessarily. Shakyamuni Buddha later taught people a way to achieve full liberation without renunciation. It is to recite the name of Amitabha Buddha, gain rebirth in the Pure Land, and attain Buddhahood there. Namo Amitabha Buddha.
Namo